Hi guys. 잠깐만. So hot. I just got back from baby's class. Today is Can I tell you guys something funny? My baby's still sleeping over there. We placed him. He's asleep. I didn't want to wake him up because it's past his nap time, but I was at the baby playground. So he's very, very tired. But I just came back from my first baby class. Little spoiler picture is, let's see, I have something back. Look at this. Isn't this cute? He did not want to wear that.
Happy Women's Day. Now it's time to babysit Uskiux and Binky.
Babysit you guys? Why? Why? I don't want to babysit. I'm already tired. Okay. Okay guys, so I visited, who knows Nitori? Nitori? It's a Japanese brand and they came to Korea and I bought this. Doesn't this look cool? So today we're gonna clean the microwave. I'm so tired. It's only 12 and I'm so tired. Oh no, I like this brand. Oh, I like their products. I'm using this. I got this. So it's like Tyson. Yeah, I was thinking about taking a nap, but still. I should do this. I haven't streamed in a while, so I thought about coming to stream for you guys today. This is soap with baking powder. Baking soda? Yeah, baking soda. So we're gonna use this. Oh, and it's thin. So I will use this to clean inside the microwave. I don't want to kill microwave. Cleaning microwave is such a hassle. And I should clean my rice cooker. But while did I clean? I haven't cleaned this, but I cannot clean that until. Okay. So I learned. It looks clean. E-girl filter is on my microwave. It's not clean at all. What? And I'm very hungry. Oh yeah, leg stream. Oh, I'm really hungry. I want to eat something. They said to do water and 자, 거 있자. Oh, why is Mia calling? Don't call me. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Okay. Hi. Today I'm cleaning. Oh, Mark, I have a question. How do you wash parka coats, puffy coats? I bought a new one, but it smells bad, so I wanna clean it. And then I wanna also clean the thick ones too. Okay. Oh, guys. I don't think it's down coat. Doesn't this look sus? Ah, okay. While I run that, let's run away. And then, what should I eat, guys? I have nothing to eat. Tennis ball? Dryer, tennis ball. Oh, we bought the cutest balls. That sounded so weird. Okay, guys, are you guys ready for the balls? 짜잔! 이거 너무 귀엽지 않아요? It's 오목눈이. This ball is okay, guys, right? So. Yeah, he's too curious. Dryer ball. What's the difference between dryer ball and tennis ball? Oh.
Natwo gifted a tier 2 sub to Mark the Boss _. They have given 137 gift subs in the channel.
Tier 2, not. Oh, did you do 2 because you're 2, not 2? 감사합니다. Guys. 그러니까. So this is not hard. This is, I think, somewhat soft. So maybe this doesn't go with the dryer. This goes with the dryer. So this is dryer ball. So I need tennis ball. I will buy a tennis ball. Oh. Guys, I was supposed to go to Daiso and I totally forgot. Is there any Daiso nearby? Because baby slept. Maybe I will go later today. Daiso. Because I was going to buy some stuff and then I got caught up with my friend or my old coworker. So that's true. So we just came back from Munha Center. It's like a small. How do you explain Munha Center? Like kid school. Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot to do the thingamabobber. Culture Center? Oh, yeah. Ah, okay. I can use that to dry. Yeah, 저걸, I put that in the washer? I was gonna search YouTube and then I was like, well, like, there's a lot of YouTubers who was kind of like scuff YouTubers, so. Ah, there is nothing nearby my house. The one that's closest, maybe? 19 minutes walking distance. We just came back from 19 minutes. Ah, okay. Okay. So anyways, my baby class was decent. I just felt really lonely because I didn't know anyone there and the moms already got close with the other moms and like they kind of became like besties with other moms. So I got there with my baby and like all the moms are like talking to each other, like they know each other and I'm just kind of like, hi, it's my first time here. So I had I kind of became introverted. I don't want to meet people anymore. I'd rather stay home and not do anything than like meet people. So I was very being introverted person today the whole time. So I know, and like I was like, should I show my American side of me? Yeah. I know, that's what you think, but I became more introverted where I'd rather like do things in the house and then, you know, like I have so many things to do in the house anyways because like, I have to edit for stream, I have to take care of the baby, I have to cook for the baby, and then I have to film my K-pop dance. Like I haven't filmed one since 3 days ago, guys. So I have to do like the I'm hungry. 왜 이렇게 배고프지? 미치겠다. I ate breakfast. I'm hungry. What should I eat? Oh, guys, look at this. Blackpink in your area. Oh! Did she give birth already? Is my baby snoring? Guys, my baby must have been very exhausted. Oh! Wow, congratulations! 11? 잠깐만. Sorry, I had to film it. My baby's like... Congratulations, congratulations. Wow, 11 days. How more?
Ricebox _ gifted a tier 1 sub to Ben 7M.
Keep this sauce. Yay!
Ricebox _ gifted a tier 1 sub to Hapeek.
I love you gifted to me when Mark's baby thingy.
Ricebox _ gifted a tier 1 sub to Holican.
Wait, do you guys want to see my dance room? Oh, I can't show that side. We're trying to get the line.
Ricebox _ gifted a tier 1 sub to.
그 뭐지?
Ricebox _ gifted a tier 1 sub to Netars.
Wait, Let me get. It's my birthday.
Ricebox underscore gifted a tier 1 sub to Joe underscore low underscore go underscore.
How did you get?
Ricebox underscore gifted a
It's
tier
my
1 sub
birthday.
to Soul Sphere.
Thank you. Wait, I have K-pop dance then.
Ricebox underscore gifted a tier 1 sub to Haru underscore Nenji.
Since we have Boomer, it's for Boomer.
Ricebox underscore gifted a tier 1 sub to Raven the Espada. Ricebox underscore gifted a tier 1 sub to Zia.
Rice ball, local, do you like Itzy?
Ricebox underscore gifted a tier 1 sub to Rent 503.
감사합니다. How many is this?
Congrats boss I mean Mark I mean.
Did you go to uni in the States? Yeah. Guess what? I'm American. Yay! Thank you guys. Wait, I learned Itzy's new dance. Ready for this? 뭐더라? 뭐지? 잠깐만. 쎄요. 안 보여. Was that good enough? Did that count for your gifted subs? 감사합니다. Guys, can you believe I gained 4 more kilograms? I went back to my original weight, but then I gained. So I have to go on a diet. Thank you. Anyways, let's talk about 11 days. You know it's gonna be the worst time. I didn't know they had 산후조리 조리원 사 in New York. I guess New York has everything, guys, right? The mom that I just met today, the baby's 45 days. She brought her out because of me. She wanted to see me. 어디지? 여기다. But I don't think it's worth going to 산후조리. Is she doing 모유수유? Breastfeeding? Wow, 300. Don't let small fluctuation get. Okay. I'm happy. Thank you. You know, postpartum is scary. It's so scary. And it's not just postpartum, it's also like postpartum that's also scary. This is this. You don't have to do breastfeeding. Oh, I don't think this is magic sponge. You guys told me not to use the magic sponge. So I'm not using it. Just kidding, I didn't have extra. I know. Guess what, farmer? My mom is only staying here for 14 days. I got mad at her. But she has to work. She's low on credits. I don't know what that is. Oh, and oh my god, my baby's like whining right now. So she has to work. So she can only stay here for 14 days. And it's just so sad. think my baby woke up. Do you guys hear it? Look, see, I told you not to, it's dirty. Just wanted to tell you that it's not clean. That's true. My father-in-law got better at taking care of the baby. Okay guys, it became a failure. Okay, let me just... I have to breastfeed. 미치겠네. You guys, look at my beautiful microwave. I think his snores did wake him up. Anyways, so today I wanted to talk to you guys, but I can't. Oh, why you wake up? Did I tell you that I don't have a fence, so I can't stream anymore? Even when he wakes up, because now he's gonna go attacking for the selfie stick, so I'm sad. That's why I can't even stream or film my dance videos when he's awake. I used to do that, but I can't do that anymore. Oh, who wants to watch K-drama with me? When should we? Starting tomorrow. I think tomorrow will be a better time. Let's watch one episode a day. I wanna watch 저거 the Jisoo, Blackpink Jisoo. I heard that's bad. Teach him how to be the camera baby. I'm trying. But let's watch that Tuesday. I'm trying to figure out what time is best. After stream. Can I stream tomorrow? But I can't come Thursday. It'll be like late stream again. But I'm trying to do more things. Where's the baby Jinri? Oh, I'm trying to breastfeed him secretly in the corner. So, yeah. What time is the best time? What if I do it before he sleeps? Oh, I heard it's daylight saving times, guys. So maybe I will do that after stream. No, what if we watch something after stream then? Let's do that. After stream, let's do drama watching. Cause I finally got my laptop out. And I will try to hook it up so that I can watch. But that's true. I don't know if you guys like daytime though. Right? Guys, can I tell you something really sad, by the way? I can't talk to people anymore. I'm so introverted now. I'd rather talk to you guys than talk to random ajumas. So, oh shoot. So I'd rather stay home and not do anything. Yeah. I became people shy. I don't know if it's people shy. You say that like it's a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. It's bad that I mean, well, okay, yeah. I don't. Maybe I just got sick of meeting Koreans. Cause actually, the scariest thing they say is, yeah. Where are you meeting these random ajumas? Oh, I went to a baby class this morning, right before stream. That's why I rushed stream. And so I tried to put the baby to sleep, but obviously he slept on the way. So I think it was a bit too loud for him. I think we can't do K-pop dance reactions for you guys. But I'm trying to do what I like, and I like doing K-pop dances, but at the same time, it's like, I have no energy and no stamina. And I met my coworker, Yena, who used to video edit for my stream. I met her today on the way. And she got her second child. That's the 45-day baby that I was talking about just now. Yeah, she has a baby. She has 2 babies now. But she's not working. I was like, oh, so jealous. Well, it's not like I have to, I mean, yeah, 2 kids already. I know. I'm trying to, and then it's not a competition. Wait, I want 2 kids. No, but she's I think she's late in her age. So, not saying it's not bad, but I have lots of people around me that's getting pregnant, so it's a good thing that I have friends, but yeah, they should give something to her. She has 2. My other friend got another kid too, and then Jamie's pregnant. But what I worry is when you have 2 kids, how do you stream? They do send the first kid to daycare, because they have to take care of the second child, but I guess when the second child sleep, I guess I can stream. Meanwhile, I'm single. It's okay. I have well, to be honest, most of my friend isn't married yet. All the people that I'm talking about are older than me, so I still feel lonely. Like, I don't have anyone. Okay, why am I leaning? I can just push this as close as possible. Live breastfeeding stream, guys. So that's why I was late, guys. I could come right away at 11 and take, like stream, but I haven't seen her. And I was like, I need to talk to people, right? I need to talk to actual people. But I think one thing that I get sick of is if I talk to at least all my friends, they would rather talk about themselves than hear my stories. Which also makes sense because my life isn't that fun. And what I will be talking about are going to be complaints about taking care of babies, right? So I have to do listening, right? And so I'm not good at bringing up conversation. So if they talk to me, then I'll relate. But for me to be like, okay, like, hi, how old's your baby? And like do all that small talk is like, so Mia made fun of me. Mia's like, you're American. Shouldn't you be good at small talks? And I was like, yeah, in English. And I guess I feel comfortable speaking in English too. So, right? Yo, I should tell him that that's a stereotype of Americans thinking we're good at small talk. But I used to be good at small talks. It's just I can't small talk anymore. So. Anyways, my house is almost done and I will try to not clean every day. I feel like cleaning every day is a little boring. So I'll try to do something fun in between. I don't know what I want to do on stream. I feel like it's much easier to, do PC stream, but YouTube actually suggests a video for small talk to me. I don't know what YouTube is telling. You should small talk with me then. Yeah. Wait, just now? Hi, baby. Go the other second. Moving the babies. Baby's hand might show up, pop up. Oh, really? Oh. That's kind of funny. They're like, you need to learn how to small talk. So anyways, that's my life right now. Right? I mean, I used to be good at talking about myself, but I feel like at one point I realized people don't want to hear about my story. And then I got used to not talking about myself to people. I got used to talking about myself to you guys. Right? That's exhausting. Oh yeah, you were supposed to summarize for me. You are my AI. Not too AI. To be honest, I think the content that I want to continue is not. Hey, mommy's talking. You don't. No, 엄마가 얘기하는데 방해하고요. Anyways, whatever you. I guess I'm still figuring out what I want to do with having a baby and kind of treating this as a side job. So bear with me. Something fun will come. It's just taking time, and I've been shutting my brain off a lot after I put the baby to sleep, but that will come to an end, and I will work hard for you guys so we can stay together and have some fun time. So I think I'm trying to, do the opposite of do less. I hope for your sake that baby will grow and learn to play on its own. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so my goal is do something and focus on one thing rather than do so many things at once. I think that was one of the big mistakes I made throughout my streaming career. So I'm trying to settle down on one thing. It's just taking time. Like, I like doing K-pop dances, but I also want to learn about the recent AI technologies out there. And then I'm also wanting to learn about the new stocks because of my, it's nice to have a good ETF for future investment. And so lots of things on my mind, but trying to figure out a good one to do, at least on stream. Raise your kids on the K-pop classics. Surprisingly, I'm teaching him more of classics. Where the fuck did you put your socks, honey? Oh shoot, I shouldn't swear to baby. Yeah, but that's the thing, but I feel like then it's all over the place, right? I don't know. I feel like there's no correct answer. And you're right. It's nice to do multiple things too, but that's true. Yeah, I know. 왜? 아이, 너 아직 졸립지? Ah, really? Yeah, so guys, I'm sorry I have to cut early today. I wanted to stream longer, but I guess my K-pop dance made the baby wake up. Fudge is I know, but still, it's still not PG-13. It's PG-13, and he's not 13. He's not even 13 months. So that deserves a swear word. I agree. Yeah. It was. I realized that my volume was too loud. I was being stupid. Ooh. What is that? Oh, he is bowing. This guy is bowing. Why is he bowing? Do you want to bow? Oh no, he's just tired right now. He's being a little. He's gonna. Even if I even said the word stupid in front. Really stupid? Oh, 맞아. My mom didn't like the word. Shoot, too, I think. Oh no, she didn't like the word damn. Damn it. She didn't like it when I said damn it. I have to go grocery shopping today. Oh, and then okay, so to be honest, I have 3 content that I'm thinking about doing. Because I want to take my kid out more. So I was like, should I do eye roll? Now that I live north of Seoul, I'm like, IRL. Guess what, guys? We can do IRL and go see the palace. Right? And I wanted to do, obviously, like K-pop isn't going to be on stream though, right? That's just my side project that I do to exercise. And then I wanted to do, what else did I wanted to do? And then stock. Era, right? Anyways, I wanted to do AI and stock. I didn't learn Rude. I'm getting there. I finally learned Black Hole. I will be uploading Black Hole hopefully today when he's on his second nap, so I have to practice that. And then film right away. So yeah, maybe those 3 content is the one I want to do, but that's why I'm too ambitious. So I gotta pick one. Right? But like for stream, does this sound good enough? Like, would that be okay? I don't know, man. So I mean, but then like, here's what I think. If you guys help me, then we can do all 3. So it's all up to you guys. If you guys want to see all 3, you guys have to help me. Like learn the dance for me, for K-pop. And yeah. Okay, anyways, or, 아파! 울지 마요. Or, like, give me some good news that I should be reading. Oh, yeah, your face is on. Anyways, I have to do something about this kid. He's been wanting me to play with him. Hey. And I'm trying not to expose him to the media. So, I think in 12 minutes, let's watch the first episode. I'm just gonna watch 1 episode a day of Worgan. Something. Yeah, I will be resting in 3 hours. What does he want to play? With stuff over there. He just likes me. Oh, 뭐야. Oh, he has a tear. 너 더웠구나. I'm just gonna... Anyways, at 1 p.m. KSD, let's watch the first episode of 저거 월간 저거 지수, Blackpink 지수. So I have to get diaper ready and everything. So anyways, guys, short stream, sorry. But let's at least watch the first episode of that together. That's the new drama. Drama Boyfriend on Demand. Thank you. I don't even know what it is in English. Yeah. So. Oh, really? Yeah. I will watch the first episode today, and then may watch the second episode tomorrow. Thursday. Yeah, let's watch it. Thursday. We'll see. I'll let you guys know on Discord. Yeah, I did the okay. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And maybe no stream on Thursday. Oh my god, you are hot! Bye guys. Thank you guys again for the donation, subscription, everything. You guys are giving me allowance to use and spend for the baby. You guys are awesome. 정말 감사합니다. 안녕! 비비디 say bye bye. 잠깐 어디까지 나올 수 있어? Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. This is for donation. Feet. 뿅. 너가 touch with your feet. 빠이빠이 터치.